What's up guys? In this episode of The Gear Shelf, I'm going to teach you how easy it is to be able to play BRAWs on any computer in Adobe Premiere Pro. For starters, you're going to want to follow the link in the description to the Blackmagic support website. There you're going to find a Blackmagic RAW SDK and you're going to want to download the macOS version. You're going to fill out all of that information and then you're going to install that and restart your computer. Once your computer has been restarted, you're going to want to navigate your way to your Premiere project, and you are going to want to find your BRAWs. So I have some footage, and we're going to just drag that in there. Now, one thing to know is BRAW is a very difficult codec for computers to handle. So we're going to create what's called proxies for our clips so we can play them back. So here's how you make a proxy inside of Premiere Pro. It's very simple. So you would right click on all of your clips, and in this example, I'm just going to use one, and you're going to right click and you're going to choose proxy and create proxies. I personally prefer ProRes because my Mac handles ProRes the best, and I like to have medium resolution, so you can choose between medium, low, and high. Obviously file space is another factor in this. So once you choose where you want to store them, then you were going to choose OK, and you are going to let Media Encoder open up and export this clip. Once you have your proxies generated, it's literally as simple as dragging and dropping it into the timeline and realizing that your computer can play it back. And so obviously there's some stutter right now because I am playing it while I'm doing a screen recording. All right. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I will see you in the next video.